What's really cool about the fall hair trends this season is we're just really layering on top of what you had existing for summertime. So maybe you had those incredible pinks or those pastel tones. What you're able to do is use one of our top brands like Arctic Fox or Good Dye Young, or maybe one of our in-house brands like Ion to give you delicious jewel tones like dark cherries, beetroot, and galactic teal. And for you darker hair tones, we've got you covered too. The Ion True Tones that you see here is going to allow you to lift and deposit these incredible tones in one step, so you don't have to bleach your hair, which makes doing it at home so much easier.
And we also have so many creative things that you can do to your nails this fall. I'm really loving Dip Powder, Beauty Secrets I Can't Adult Right Now, which is a nice glitter shade. It's so beautiful. This is great for the fall even, because you can transition out of summer with something light, mauvey, and beautiful. And if you're not really into that, if that's not your thing, then I would recommend that you try these Sally Hansen Insta Dry. There's so many shades, a wide assortment of shades that you can choose from.
Buy online and pick up in store at sallybeauty.com, or if you feel safe enough, come in and see us in store. Our beauty advisors would be happy to guide you to your new hue.
And don't forget to head over to our DIY University by Sally Beauty for all the tips and tricks to help you confidently achieve your looks at home.